Somebody read my head. It seems I hardly had to steal my course was planned. And destiny guides us all, and lights have been rising fall, but only for a moment, time enough to catch a breath.
And we're just another piece of the puzzle. mga Star Power Girls at ang gagaling. Girls, may question ako. Ano ang feeling na pakasama ninyo mag-perform? No less than Jen Madela and Eric Santos lang naman po.
Sobrang happy po kasi binigyan po nila kami ng chance. Kami mga nagsisimulang singers pa lang po, binigyan nila po kami ng chance na makasama po yung mga pinakamagagaling na singers like Kuya Eric Santos at Kuya Jen Madela po.
Thank you, thank you.
Ito, ano naman ang mga bagong aabangan sa inyo this 2011?
Ayan. Ano po? Bali po mamaya pong gabi, live na live po ang Star Power.
Abangan niyo po yan.
Ayun po. Tapos po, bawat po personality namin, makikita niyo po at binigyan po kami ng mga songs na fit po sa pagkatao namin ni Ma'am Kitchi Molina po. Ayan po, manood po kayo mamaya.
Yes! And once again, panoorin po natin. Mamaya, live tayo mamaya.
After Rated K,
Yes. So sana po, manood po kayo tuwing linggo. On behalf of all the Star Power Girls, I want to thank you for all of your support, for continuing to watch us, for continuing for voting for us. Sana po you'll continue voting for your favorites kasi yung finals po talagang malapit na po tayo. So please continue watching us every Sunday pagkatapos ng Rated K. So maraming salamat po sa
and
inyong lahat.
tonight, after Rated
Yes,
K,
that's
Star
right.
Power Live.
Opo.
Live na live pang Star Power mamaya. Okay, great job, girls, at stay beautiful. Ang gaganda ng ating Star Power girls. Diba talaga? And good luck sa inyo.
Good luck, good luck.
At up next, isang naiibang acoustic kantahan at isang naiibang number with Miss Tony Gonzaga